Hi, my name is Tyler Kenny. This is my audience. Imagine a world in which the storms grow stronger and stronger, droughts are longer and more frequent, and coastal areas that originally resided below sea level actually reside below the sea. This world is Earth. This is the destiny of our planet should we not act upon the dangers and attempt to prevent the ever-growing threat of climate change. Scientists are quite certain about global temperature rise for years to come due to greenhouse gases produced by humans. Climate.nasa.gov, accessed in November 2017, states, according to IPCC, we are due for a 2.5 to 10 degrees temperature rise over the next century. This may seem minor to you, but the reported average for the global temperature during the last ice age was actually only 5 to 9 degrees Fahrenheit below our average temperature today. Now, some may benefit from the climate change, but the benefit is way less than the detriment. Global climate change affects everyone, and rightfully so. We need everyone's effort to reduce pollution in order to slow the growth enough for us to find a solve-all solution. I'm going to tell you all how we can make an effort, whether it be from the perspective of a country, a large business, or an individual. As a country, there are many things you can do to help in the fight against climate change. One thing you can do is move away from fossil fuels by enforcing emission laws and limiting pollution. Set incentives for using sustainable energy, such as a cash rebate for people who install solar panels in their house. You can also be a part of the Paris Agreement and the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The 2030 Agenda is set forth by the UN. According to sustainabledevelopment.un.org, accessed November 2017, their main plan is to protect the Earth from degradation through sustainable consumption, production, and management of natural resources. Climate change is everyone's issue. Not even money will protect you from this global problem. Big businesses must especially step up and take the issue into their own hands. According to thebalance.com, accessed November 2017, the top two ways to deal with climate change is to measure your carbon footprint and then to limit your emissions. However, the simplest way would be to just contribute. This would just be to donate money towards organizations who are already fighting the fight against climate change for tax and worldly relief, or to invest in companies that are working on sustainable technology. My recommended choice would be to take it upon yourself to put some of your company's income into sustainable energy for your businesses on site. This will save money and the world in the long run. A specific example would be for a delivery company to invest in electric and hybrid vehicles. A more realistic approach would be to just monitor your vehicles to make sure they're running at optimal speeds for mileage. If you're the company bringing forth the sustainable technology, like solar and electric cars, you should work towards improving efficiency and affordability. The energy revolution is imminent as technology progresses, but as of now, it is gated from the majority by high prices. However, you can still make a difference. The most efficient way, obviously, is to buy an electric car and solar panels, but that's not realistic for people due to the money. So you can try to replace your closer drives by biking or walking. And you also save the world and your money by turning off appliances when they're not in use. You can recycle plastic, rubber, or any things that are created using fossil fuels. You can invest in clean energy or work in clean energy yourself. Clean up your outdoors and preserve nature by either growing trees or just cleaning up garbage around your house. According to ActiveSustainability.com, accessed November 2017, a tree can absorb up to a ton of CO2 from the atmosphere in its lifetime. Though the possibilities to slow and prevent the progression of climate change seem limited, and the ways we add to it are rooted in our everyday lifestyle, we must still take action as soon as possible. Countries must take the steps necessary to reduce pollution caused. Businesses must follow the regulations placed by the countries, and they must work to make their sustainable technology more affordable, and more efficient for the individuals. And us as an individual have to take it all into our own hands to do everything necessary in order to improve the world for what it is. Now, I know like one person may not seem like a lot, but if everyone thought that they wouldn't make a difference, then no one would do anything. I'm going to end my speech with a statement. Be the change we all need and set an example, or else we'll end up the same way as the world I had depicted previously.
Annoying doggo.